Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have just woke up because I don't know, I did not set alarm. I set alarm at around 11. Okay, so I'm telling you ki like I did not set up the alarm. I set up for like 11:45 and I came from like the night posting at around 8, had like a morning breakfast in which I had the pasta and kind of what we call it vada, and after that at 9 I got slept, and I you won't believe I woke up at 3:25. Daily I had a schedule that I'll always go to the library because itni garmi hai Delhi में, it's too much. Even though we do have the ACs in our study room, but the student used to sleep there in the summer, so I usually don't go there, so I prefer to go library. But today I woke up at 3:25 and it won't, and obviously it will take time to go there, like 10 to 15 minutes. So I thought ki why should I go there, so I have decided to study now here in my room, because again I have to go for the night duty, so it's around 3:51. Firstly, I was totally shocked that is it really the time that I woke up, but still it takes time to believe that yes, it's actually 3:25. Now I have to do or cover a lot of things. So currently, I'm just trying to finish this medical surgical nursing and just see the thickness. So it's a kind of medical surgical in which we do have the system wise chapters. So this is such a nice book that we have to buy in the second year. It's like Brunner and Siddharth, and the book has a lot of content. But I really like this book, and it's a very has a very kind of different kind of questions or variety of questions that is like asked in the competitive NORCET exam. As you all know that I'm gonna pass this 31st of July. We do have this integrated till 31st. In between, we do have finals from 1st of July. So I'm trying to just cover the things for the competitive and as well for the final. So if you have any kind of doubts or any kind of query that you wanted to know, so you are more welcome to ask in the comment section. And I don't know why the people don't watch much videos related to nursing. It's not just about me. Like in the entire YouTube channel, I did not see any nursing profession having much